2, 3. The first one. So the following frequency distribution gives monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Okay. Monthly consumption. Page number 198. And number of consumers. Write down the problem once. We'll do. They have given 65. We did the problem. How many we did?
First one is
Okay, one problem we'll repeat. It's fine. Next, then again we'll go for the third one. Okay. 65 to 85, 4. 85 to 105. It is 5. 105 to 125. It is 13. 125 to 145. 20. 145 to 165. It is 14. Then 165 to 185. 8. 185 to 205. It is 4. Now here first we will try to calculate the median. Okay, so median means what? We are to calculate the median of the data. That means we are trying to calculate the middle number. Okay, median means we are trying to calculate the middle number of that. So middle of the middle one. So what we will try to do here, we will try to calculate the CF. Okay, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means, okay, cumulative frequency means we'll try to add the frequencies in that. So 4, first one write it as 4. Then add these two numbers, we get 5 plus 4, 9. Then for the third one, add all the 3. So 9 plus 13. So how much you will get? 9 plus 13? 22 you will get. Next one, add all the 4. So 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14. 4 plus 2, 6. 56 we will get. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, it is 68. So to find the median, first we are trying to calculate the CF. CF is the cumulative frequency. We are trying to add the frequencies. Okay. So in the first one 4, second one we will add these two frequencies. Okay. So third one we will add all the 3. That means what? 9 plus 13. Like that we will add. So at the end, whatever we are getting, that will be equal to sum of all the frequencies. Correct? Sum of all the frequencies. What is sum of all the frequencies? 68. So that we write it as 68. N is equal to 68. Sum of all the frequencies. Okay. So what does this actually indicate? You understood, right, this much? So the monthly consumption, if it is between 68 to 85, how many people are there? That is 4 consumers. Like that we have given the data. From that we are trying to calculate the middle one, that is the median. Okay, so first we had calculated the CF. Now here, and then whatever we get here, it is N value, that is N is equal to 60. Now N by 2, half of that will be equal to what? 34. So in the frequency count, middle one is the 34. So more than that, in the CF column, where we will get here. Okay. So this will be the median class. So this will be the median class. See, a total sum is 68. N by 2, half of that will be 34. Sum of the frequencies means what? Count what we had. So that sum is N. Okay, that is 68 we will get. N by 2 is 30, 34, half of that. So we want to calculate the middle, no? So middle number. So what we will do, n by 2 is 34. So more than this, in which, in this CF column, where we will get more than 34 here in this one. So this we will take it as the median class. Okay, that we will take it as the median class. Now write the formula for the median. Write the formula for the median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. So once you know the median class, what is L here? L is the lower limit. L is the lower limit of the median class. Okay. So in the class interval, this is the lower part, right? This is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. So lower limit of the median class, L will indicate the lower limit of the median class. Okay, so here L is equal to 125. N by 2, half of that, what you got, we calculated, that is 34. Okay, CF means you have to take the CF value earlier than the median class. This here CF indicates the preceding class CF. Okay, so you have to take, if this is the median class, earlier than that, preceding that, which one is that? The value is 22. So CF value you have to take it as 22 here. Okay, and F, what is F? F is the frequency of the median class, that is 20. And H is the size of the class interval, that is upper limit minus the lower limit. So here how much is that? 20. Now substitute the values, calculate the median. Hope understood, right? You have doubt? Okay, median means what? L, this is the formula to calculate the median. Okay, so median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula to calculate the median whenever we are using this frequency distribution table. Okay, in this, what are the terms? We'll try to know. L is what? Lower limit of the median class. So this we have found the median class. Now in that lower limit, so that is 125. Okay, n by 2 is half of this, that is 34. And CF, the cumulative frequency, this you have to take the preceding one and the earlier than the median class. So this, if this is a median class, preceding one is this, correct? So CF will be 22. And F here indicates the frequency of the median class, so 20. And H here indicates the size of the class interval, that is 20. So substitute the values. Okay, put the values. Minus CF only.
So we take the sign minus.
Minus CF means n by 2 minus CF. That is, you have to subtract.
I thought it will be minus, it will indicate the previous one. So we don't increase one.
No, we have to use. Okay. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. So median is equal to, what is L value? 125. No? So L value, it is 125 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 34 minus CF is 22 divided by F. F is 20 into H. H is also 20, right? See, these two, this is multiplication with this whole term. So I can cancel. If I am able to cancel this 20 and 20, I can cancel here. Okay. So median is equal to 125 plus 34 minus 22. How much you will get? 2 and 12. 12. So median is equal to 137. Okay. Median is equal to 137. It's written. You can also come here only, no? If you have doubts, you can ask. So we'll, for the same data, we'll calculate the mode also. Okay, we'll calculate the mode. Now, now for the same data, we will calculate the mode. So mode means what? The repetitive number. Mode means what? It is the repetitive number. For example, for think 10 students are there in the maths. Okay, so maximum everyone one would have got 20, others 70, 80 like that. But most of them the same repeated number. Think 80, it has come 4 times. That is the number of times 80 who have got within 10 people is 4. So mode will be 80 there. Okay. So mode means it is the most occurring number. Okay, that is mode. So example, if you take, I have think of 6 people having getting the marks. It is like this. Think of 6 people. 3 6 and it is like that. So 6 people have got the marks. Okay, in that most repetitively what we have got is this number. Correct. So that we call it as a mode. Mode meaning most frequently occurring number is called as mode. So now this is the ungrouped data. Just they have given the data, from that we are trying to get the number. Okay. So now we are trying to get from the frequency distribution table is there. What we have in that we are trying to calculate the mode. Okay. Hope understood, right? This much. Huh. Now write the table. We are trying to calculate the mode. Calculate the mode. So monthly consumption. For the same data, now we are trying to calculate the mode and number of consumers. I think on that we didn't calculate mode, no? Okay. So here 65 to 85, it is 4. Now 85 to 105, it is 5. 105 to 125, 13. 125 to 145, it is 20. 145 to 165, okay, 14. Now 165 to 185, 8. 185 to 205, it is 4. Now we are trying to calculate the mode, most occurring number for this frequency distribution table. Okay, so if you observe here 20 is the frequency. If you observe here 20, it has come more than in the frequency table. 20 is the highest number we have. That means what? Monthly consumption 125 to 120, 145, in this range it is more. Correct. So this will be the modal class. Okay, this will be the modal class. Again I repeat. So number of consumers count, it is more in which class? 125 to 145. So mode means what? Most occurring number. So the frequency is more here, right? So this will be the modal class. Okay. Now to calculate the mode. So write the formula to calculate the mode. Now mode is equal to, write down. We'll write that. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to calculate the mode of a frequency distribution table. Okay, now what is L? First you have to check for the modal class. Okay, L is the lower limit of the modal class. L is the lower limit of the modal class. So that means what? L is equal to 125 and F1 is the frequency of the modal class. F1 will be the frequency of the modal class. Okay, F1 is what? Frequency of modal class. So F1 is equal to 20. F0 is the frequency, that is the preceding frequency of the, okay, so it is the preceding frequency. So F0 is the preceding frequency of modal class. Okay, earlier than that. So what is that? F0 is equal to here 13. And what is F2 here? F2 is the succeeding frequency of the modal class. Okay, it is the succeeding frequency of modal class. So F2 here is equal to 14. H is the size of the class interval. So 85 minus 65, 20, it is the same thing, right? 145 minus 125, 20. So H is equal to 20. Now substitute the values for the mode and calculate the value. Pavan, understood? You?
Can you explain the English?
Okay, see, formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L will indicate the lower limit of the modal class once you select the modal class. So L is 125. F1 is the frequency of the modal class. So it is 20. F0 is the frequency of the preceding class. So 13. F2, it is the frequency of the succeeding class. So 14. And H is the size of the class interval. So that is 20. Okay. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So mode is equal to, substitute the values now. So Sharada, L is what? 125 plus F1, it is 20 minus F0. F0 is 13 by 2 times F1 will be 40 minus F0 13 minus 7. Okay. F2 is 14 no? Into H. H is 20. So what you will get? This is 125 plus 20 minus 13, 7 by 40, the minus 13 minus 14. So, so you will get 40 minus 27. So 13 you will get. Same thing you people got? So these two negative numbers add, then subtract. 40 minus 27, that is 13 into 20. So it is 125 plus. So multiply these two, you will get 7 2s are 14, 140 by 30. So this separately do the division, then add with the 125. Okay. So 13 here, 140 So what you will get? 13, 10. So you have to take one digit you have already taken. So what you have to take? 10 here. See, 14 minus 13 is 1. So one digit I have already put here. So I have to take 1 0 here. Then it is not possible. I'll put point. So 100 here. 13 into how much you'll get? 13 5 13 7 I think.
Yeah, 37, 0.
Huh. We can leave it here. So it is equal to 125 plus 10.7. That is 135.7 will be the mode. Okay. You can do that also. I feel this is simpler. That's why I do this. You can do that. 13 into 125 plus 140 whole thing divided by 13 you will get. No, that also you can. Okay. Clear ones? So this how we calculate median and the mode. So median is what you are trying to calculate the middle number. Mode is most frequently occurring number. Since it is most frequently occurring number, modal class will be which is one having highest frequency. And median is the middle number. So we will add all the frequency, divide by 2. More than that, we will take the median class. That's it, and substitute in the formula. So clear? Shall I clear this? Hmm? Okay, mean afterwards we'll do not everything together. Third problem in this we'll do. Write down. Exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Third problem. So they have given life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to the persons having age 18 onwards but less than 60 years. So below 20 here, number of policies holders. Okay, one second. Wait. This write it as age in years. Below 20 it is 2. Below 25 6. Below 30 24. Below 35 it is 45. Below 40 78. So below 50, one second, below 45. Huh? Below 45 it is 89. Then below 50 92. So below 55 98 and below 60. Okay, this is 100. Here, if you observe, actually he has given the cumulative frequency, not the frequency. I mean, see, what he is telling from 18 to 60, he is trying to take the terms. Okay. If you observe below 20, below 25, 30, 35, 40, like that he has given. So, that difference is 5. So, the difference in the class interval or the size of the class interval will be 5, first thing. Again, I repeat, see, here below 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, like this he has given. The difference what you see is 5, right? So, the class size of the class interval will be actually 5 there. Okay, and below 20 it will come actually below 20 whatever is there everything will come, but we have to count from 18 here. So what you can do, 15 to 20 you can take, because the class always will try to take same, right? So 15 to 20 we will take. Okay, 15 to 20 we will take it as 2. Okay. Now below 25 means below 20 also included, correct? See, below 22, below 25, 6 is there. So below 25 means even below 20 things also included with that. So we want only between 20 to 25. So what we have to do? 20 to 25. 6 minus 2, 4 will be the number, frequency. Okay. Just now below 30 is there. Below 30 everything, below 20, 25 everything will be included actually. Correct? But we want between 25 and 30. So 25 to 30. So below 25 will not include. Leaving that. 24 minus 6 will be that. Okay. 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6. 14 minus 6. How much will get? 4 plus 4, 8. 18. Didn't understand? See, below 20 means what? Whoever below 20 is there, everything included. But the LIC policy, they are giving from 18 years only. Okay. And the difference below 25, 20, this difference is 5. No? So I will take the first one as 15 to 20 is 2. Okay. Now below 25, it is 6 people policy they have taken. What does this indicate? Below 25 years, how many people they have taken the policy? 6. Okay. Below 20, they have taken 2 people. That means between 20 to 25 years, how many would have taken? How many would have taken policy? See, below 22, have 2 people have taken. Below 25, 6 people have taken that. So between 20 to 25, how many people would have taken? 4. That difference only I am trying to write here. Now below 30, it's 24 people they have taken the policy, but below 25, 6 people have taken. So between 25 and 30, how many people would have taken in that range? It is 24 minus 6, right? So that number we are writing here. So we are trying to calculate the frequency, that's all. Understood now? Now below 35, it is 45 people have taken the thing, but below 30, 24 have taken. So between 30 and 35, it should be 45 minus 24, right? So it is 30 to 35. In this age, how many have taken the policy? 45 minus 24. So it is 20. 21 people they have taken. Okay. Now below 35 is done. Below 40 is there. Below 40, it is these many people they have taken the policies. But below 35, 45 are there. So between 35 to 40, how many would have taken? 78 minus 40. 33. Okay. Now 45, below 45, these 89 people have taken, but below 40 it is 78. That means what? 45 to 40 to 45, in this range it will be difference of these two. So 40 to 45, it is 89 minus 78. Next, so 45 to 53. Then here 50 to 55, it is 6. Then 55 to 60, it is 2. So this is the frequency. So what we are getting here is actually the cumulative frequency. Okay. So earlier frequency was given, you had to calculate the CF. Now CF is given. Whenever, simple way to remember is, whenever they have given the below thing and they have given, no, whatever they would have given, it will be the CF value. Understood, right? Now again you have to calculate the median. So what you will do? Total is 100, right? So n is 100. 100 by n by 2 is 100 by 2. So it is 50. So more than 50, this is the class, right? More than 50. 78 is this one. Here. More than 50. After 45, more than 50 is 78. So this will be the median class. Okay. Now write the data. What is L, n by 2, CF, everything. So L will be 35. N by 2 we know 50. CF will be earlier than 78 is 45. And frequency of that is 33. F is 33. Then substitute in the formula. We have L is equal to 35. N by 2 is 50. CF. 45. F is 33. H is 5 I think. Now median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. So median is equal to L is 35 plus n by 2 is 50 minus CF it is 45 by F 33 into H that is 5. Same thing.
Now I was doing
You were doing mode. Okay. So median is equal to 35 plus n by 2 minus CF 50 minus 45 5 into 5 by 30. So 35 plus 25 by 33. How much you will get? 0.75.
Yeah, 25 by 33, 0.75.
Okay. So median is equal to 35.7. I feel just do direct division. This one, whatever answer you will get, add with this. Okay, and 2 decimal is enough. Don't do more than that. Okay. Now, class interval. They didn't ask actually. I know. Just we'll calculate. You got? So we have already calculated class interval and frequency, right? Write down that. So 15 to 20, it is 2. Then we have 20 to 25, 4. 25 to 30, 18. 30 to 35, it is 21. Then 35 to 40, 33. 40 to 45, 11. 45 to 50, it is 3. 50 to 55, 6. 55 to 60, it is 2. So we have to now calculate the mode. Okay. So what is the mode formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. So mode means what? It is the most occurring number. That means the highest frequency you have to check. Here the highest frequency is what? 33. Correct? Highest frequency is 33. So this will be the modal class. For the mode, which is the highest frequency, that we call it as the modal class. Okay. So in the modal class, what is L? L is the lower limit. L is equal to 35. The F1 is the frequency of the modal class. So 33. F0 is the frequency of the preceding one. So 21. F2 is the frequency of the succeeding one, that is 11. And H is the size of the class interval 5. And now substitute the values. So mode is equal to L is 35 plus F1 33 minus 21 by 2 times F1. F1 is 33, right, into 2. So 66. Minus F0 is 21, minus F2 is 11, into H, that is 5. Okay. So mode is equal to 35 plus 33 minus 21. So it is 12. By here, yeah. How much you will get? Minus you will get. Plus only you should get. 34. These two if you had minus 33. Okay. So minus 21 and minus 11. Two negative numbers if you add, you will get minus 33. 32. Okay. So 66 minus 32. You will get 34. So this total answer will be 34 into here 12 into 5. So mode is equal to 35 plus 60 by 34. This around 1.9 something. 1.8 you will get. So 60 by 34 direct division you do. 1.8 you will get. So mode will be equal to 35.
6.8.
1.8. So mode is equal to 36.8. Next one, fourth problem. Write down the fourth problem. Lengths of the 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So length in millimeter, this will be the number of leaves. Here 118 to 126, it is 3. 127 to 135, it is 5. 136 to 144, it is 9. 145 to 153, it is 12. 154 to 162, 5. 163 to 171, 4. 172 to 182. Okay. Correct. You should make it continuous. So here, if you observe, 126, the upper limit of the first one is 126. Second one, it is 127. Right? It is not the same. Earlier, what we were doing, it was the same. So that we call it as a continuous class. But here, it is not the same. So we have to make it same. So we have to make it continuous class. Then we have to do the problem here. Okay. So 126 here, 127. So what is the difference? Difference is 1, right? So 1 is the difference. That is the upper limit here, and this is the lower limit. So upper limit of the first one, lower limit of the second one, the difference is 1. So 1 divided by 2, that is 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 you have to subtract from the lower limit and add in the upper limit. Okay, so whatever answer this value you will get, that you have to subtract for the first one and you should add in the second one. Hmm? So 118, 126 is there. In 118, subtract that. Huh. So we will get 117.5. 126, for that 0.5 if you add, you will get 126.5. Okay, the frequency will be same only, that is 3. Here 127 point, if you subtract 0.5 you will get 126.5. Here you will get 135.5. So it is 5. So again here 136 minus 0.5, it is 135.5. Here if you add 0.5, it is 144.5. And frequency 9, keep it as it is. So 145 minus 0.5, it is 144.5. Here it is 153.5. And frequency will be 12. Now in 144, if you subtract 0.5, we get 153.5. This is 162.5. Okay. Again in this, if I subtract 0.5, I'll get 162.5. Add here in the upper limit, you will get 171.5. So for this 5, it is 4. Again here 172 minus 0.5, you will get 171.5. Here 180.5. This is 2. Now you have to calculate the median. So first for the median, what we have to do? We have to take the CF. CF means add all the frequencies. First 3, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. I will get 8, 8, 16, 17. 17 plus 12, 29. 29 plus 5, 34. 34 plus 4, 38. 38 plus 2, 40. Next you will do, you people will do. N by 2 is what? 20. Yeah, n by 2 is 20. More than 20, where you will get here? This one. Yeah. So this will be the median class. Now you calculate. Equal also, you should not take equal also. You should always take greater than that value. Okay, if it is equal also, leave that. Take the greater one. What doubt you have in this? Understood? Yeah, greater than n by 2. Sometimes if you can get n by 2 correct value also, no, then don't take that correct value. Greater than that only you should.